Hi.
What's up?
What's up, guys? We have invented a new challenge,
The fridge challenge.
which is I choose 5 things, she chooses 5 things, and she has to eat my 5 things blindfolded. So I can give her anything. I can give her that old moldy cheese, you know, that kind
Please
of
don't
stuff.
give that to me.
No.
I
And
swear
then-
I'll kill you in your sleep tonight. Okay. I'm Kay, by the way. What's up? This is awkward.
Okay. We have an assistant. Come say hello.
Nicole, come to me, mama.
We have an assistant.
Come to me.
This is Nicole.
His girlfriend and
My
my best
girlfriend.
friend. What the?
Okay. But
No, we look alike.
But basically, you have to be, and then you have to guess what you eat. And once you've guessed what you've eaten,
Yeah.
then you can, then you can, there's 5. So if you get 4 out of 5 and she gets 3 out of 5, then I win. And then there's a special item at the end. Like if she loses, I have to make her eat something, whatever I want to make her eat. She has to eat it. I can give her a tube of toothpaste and she has to eat it. What?
And I'll kick you, but okay.
Okay, so let's go. Can we have the
Wait,
first
blindfolded. Wait,
item?
blindfold.
Who's first? Who's first?
I'll be first.
Okay, ladies first.
Okay.
No.
Okay.
Well,
Ching
chong
cha.
cha. Ching chong cha.
Ching chong cha. No!
Ladies.
Okay, I'll be first.
Ladies first.
Okay. I can't see anything.
Thanks, Nicole. Are you ready?
Okay.
How does that look?
Ugh.
Da da.
Okay.
Okay.
So exciting. Okay.
It's more scary than exciting.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, she's ready. You're not allowed to smell it. Just drink it. Drink. You have to drink the whole thing.
Lemon. And sour lemon juice. What's it? Sour lemon.
It's just lemon.
Lemon juice. Oh!
Sour
Daar's nog in die koffie.
lemon juice.
Afrikaans.
You have to finish the portion.
I can't drink everything.
It's waste.
Ugh.
Our system is
Is a-
slow. Okay, this is, you know, not that bad, but it's bad. Okay, well, I don't know. I like it. I like this stuff. And I think this one we can put on a spoon.
Oh no!
It's a bit crusty.
Yeah, I think I'm.
No sniffing.
Cottage cheese.
No, that's wrong. She failed the first one.
No!
No, anyone guess.
It is cottage cheese.
It's not cottage cheese.
Not cottage.
It's over.
It must be cottage cheese.
It's not cottage cheese.
It's not cottage.
It's not cottage
It
cheese.
don't have no cottage
And
in
what is it?
It is spring onion and chives medium fat cream cheese. But you could have just said
It's cottage cheese.
it's not cottage cheese, it's cream cheese. Guys, it's cream cheese. This is the next. It's been in my fridge for a while.
No! You can't do this to me.
I think this
Okay.
is gonna be the best one, guys. It's it smells good. They're just cleaning the spoon.
What?
Okay.
Oh, please don't make me barf. You guys must get me a bucket for in case I barf.
There's water next to you. I'll hold your water for you.
Give it to me, I want.
Jy het geproe. Okay.
There's the Indian coming through.
Leave my Indian out of this.
Yeah, no.
It's not. It was nice. Oh!
Just say what it is.
Some kind
Okay,
of.
I'll give you a tip. It's a type of paste.
Ugh.
Would you like some
It's
curry?
like yellow paste you have in your fridge.
Would you like
Um,
some curry?
Curry paste. It's a curry paste.
Ding.
Yay!
I'm gonna give you a chance. Do you want bland or sour for next? Bland or sour?
Give me bland.
Bland. Okay, you want
Yeah.
bland. She's gonna get. Now stop touching the
No,
blonde.
my
spot.
eyes are
She's
itching.
she's
Okay.
gonna get some blossomy blandness.
What's new plants? I don't know what that is.
That's good stuff.
Pink. Third.
We're not sponsored.
We're not sponsored. We're just showing off. That's all he is.
Okay, stop talking.
It's a shoyu. It's butter.
Well, no, it's not butter.
Huh?
What? It's not butter. Butter is this is
Margarine.
It's margarine. So
Woo!
she's got 3 right out of 4. So the next one.
It feels like I'm 2 years old and I just ate a snail. Ugh! I do not like you no longer. Okay, wait, my
Okay.
wait.
So the next one. Look at that smile.
Next time I'm going first. You chose all the good stuff.
Okay. If you don't get this, you didn't have a good childhood. Or you've been living in a box the
Stop
entire.
liking it.
Smelling.
Smelling.
Stop smelling it.
Ah.
It smells good though. It smells like a hamburger.
Yeah.
Mayonnaise.
She got 4 out of 5,
Woo!
which is 80%.
So
See?
much.
It's cream cheese.
Same difference. Cottage cheese is just more chunky. Cream
It's
cheese
not.
is just smooth.
It's cream cheese.
Difference.
Okay, your turn. Okay,
Okay.
but seriously, put it on though.
Okay.
Okay,
It's the makeup guy here.
I want to see what you gave me this.
basically
I
take
was
camera.
right. It was curry spice. Thank you, thank you. Yeah, better. You know I like burning stuffies.
Jy nou met jy met Nicole praat en gee.
Okay. Our light just died. Our light just died. Our light literally just died. Technical difficulties. So we're back. Our light is back on. Okay. And blindfold. Hoodie. Thank you. Okay, whatever.
I feel like I look like dumb.
Really hungry.
I'm worried. Where's my water?
Okay, but seriously though, how hungry are you?
Just feed me.
If you didn't have an interesting... Oh, just feed you. Okay, open wide. Wider.
Piano.
What Vienna?
Chicken piano.
No,
Are
it's
you
a
sure?
wiener. It's not a Vienna.
I'm ready.
Enjoy.
Ah! No.
Taking advantage. Oh, I love it. Okay. Let's do this.
Who's feeding me?
I am.
I thought my assistant's feeding
Oh.
You wanna feed it?
No.
So this is the second item. I don't know if you can see it, but it's quite delicious.
Oh, yummy. Oh, yummy.
Oh, disgusting. Does it burn a little?
That's some kind of acha. Chili acha.
Okay, so what acha?
There's no name on the bottle. I know it's in my fridge.
So you have to guess what it is. This is the punishment you gave me.
It's chili acha. There's no other name.
Good one. Thank you, Miguel.
What?
What? I know what it is. Oh shit.
Oh shit.
I just wanna, what's the name? What?
Thank you, Miguel, for staying here for like 3 weeks so that we can have these burning stuff in our kitchen.
Yes, thank you. I thank you. I hope you're watching this.
What is this?
It's this wonderful stuff that I enjoy. I haven't eaten it, but I enjoy. Getting tired?
No, I'm just a little bit hot.
Hooray!
No.
Yum. Come on, what is it?
Sauce. Mexican chili sauce?
Yeah, okay, chili sauce is right. Not the Mexican though, so it's a half price.
Okay, so I got
Okay.
2.5.
Yeah, you got 2.5 now.
I'm half done
Ah, it
now.
burns! Oh my gosh! Probably a bloody chili.
No, I'm still nice to you, I don't hate you that much. Can you bring me a cloth, please? Doesn't want to
Or
open.
I can just go around and use my muscles.
Or that
Oh my gosh!
muscly girlfriend.
Nostrils.
Can you please bring me a fork? Okay. Okay, so we're starting with the 4th item.
My lips red.
Oh, it's gonna be now. Open wide.
Beetroot.
What beetroot? I'm just kidding. Yeah, it's beetroot. Crinkle cut beetroot salad. Okay, and now for the last and final one.
Mm.
I don't think he's gonna like it though.
Low fat strawberry yogurt.
Yo! Okay.
Ah!
You can say. Next time we're doing it at my house so that you don't know what's in my fridge. Deal? Thank you.
My mouth is burning.
Okay. So, these were your items.
Oh my gosh.
I was going to give you that, but then I thought no, I won't.
So I won
So you won.
with half a point.
With half a point.
Now she's gonna suffer.
Help me.
Yeah.
This yogurt is really delicious.
I'll be back now.
Strawberry bitter.
Oh, stop
No,
it.
my best friend. You can't do this to me. Look what he's trying to feed me. If you don't know what this is a jalapeno
I've never
pepper.
het die laaste een verwys vir die kamera.
But it's okay, deal's
But-
a deal. A deal's a deal.
It is pickled.
Yeah.
No,
Yeah, I can see it's pickled. There's water running out of it like the whole
it's
time.
not water, it's vinegar.
It's pickled juice.
Vinegar and oil, probably. Eat yogurt after you burnt me with everything.
It was your decision.
Hey,
I
look at
didn't
this.
tell
You
you
fed
not
me
to
this.
eat it.
I mean,
And that. Thank you,
this
Michael.
was the best thing she fed me the entire time.
I fed you yogurt. I did at the end. Okay, I'll eat it now. Okay, so here we go. I need milk after this.
Not that bad.
Why is the stuff on here?
Came out of a goat's ass.
A goat's what?
It's so pretty video.
Okay. Marks gets it. Go. It's actually not that bad.
Bad.
My eyes are tearing. Real bad. I want to barf.
It would work.
No! Don't drink my water! Look on your own.
Yummy.
Good!
Kan jy dalk uitspoel?
Ja.
Okay, loop uit. Loop uit. Ek kan nie hier uitspoel nie. And that is the Fitch challenge, guys. Okay, she is opening a channel soon. I have a channel already, but you
You're on
guys,
it.
if you've watched this far, you need to share this video because we want lots of views and we want the Fitch challenge to go viral. You know, epicness.
Although I think Einstein maybe have created it before. But
Yeah. Anyways, I will link her channel in the description. My Instagram and Twitter is always in the description. And yeah, so whatever guys, adios.